Hi, how are you? I hope that you are all safe and fine. It's me again, your teacher, Mom Rhoda, and I'm your teacher in Science 8. Now, we will be discussing about the last law of motion. That is the third law of motion, entitled the law of action and reaction, or the law of interaction. The objectives for today's lesson are: first is for you to state Newton's third law of motion. Next is for you to apply the law of interaction to falling bodies and to activities like walking and swimming, as well as to jet and rockets. Then last is for you to explain why action and reaction forces do not cancel each other. Newton's third law of motion says that every force occurs as one member of the action or reaction pair. And I already told you before that forces always have pairs, right? Next, always remember that the two forces of a pair acts on two different objects. And lastly, the two forces of a pair are equal in magnitude but acts in opposite direction. I already also told you that the objective is for you to state Newton's third law in simple terms. Okay? So for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Okay? That is very simple, and I hope that you will be able to state it and remember it. Always remember, forces have pairs and that they are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. Look at this example. You know a hammer, right? So the action force, they can be reversed, action or reaction. So for this example, the action force can be the force of the hammer hitting on the nail, and the reaction force is the force on the nail on the hammer. See, they are opposite in direction. Next, if you are walking, the force of your feet that you exert on the ground, that is the action force. Then the reaction force is the ground exerts force on your feet. If you are swimming, look at this example. For rockets, you would see this. For wheels, for man pulling a string, always remember all forces have pairs. Remember, two forces acting on an object. There's always an action force and a reaction force. Mom Rhoda, question is, if they are equal but opposite, why don't they cancel each other? Why? Because action and reaction pairs do not cancel because they act on different objects, not on the same object. So for you to learn more about this lesson, let's watch this video.
Yes!
Hmm? Hmm?
Oh.
Hmm?
Hey!
Hmm?
Huh? Oh.
Now it's time for you to answer your module, and I hope that you have learned a lot today. God bless you all. Bye.